Toyota.
Oh,
It's a joke.
right.
I hope you will be in front of them.
Okay, so update after our prologue. We were up a little bit earlier this morning. We left the bivouac at 7:45, and then we went over the ceremonial start over the start ramp. We had a few interviews. Then it was short liaison up to the prologue stage, which is the same stage as we'd done before, and then short liaison back again. Somehow we managed to come first place on the navigational test, and we're not entirely sure why, and we managed to fail reasonably miserably at the regularity test because I kept going too quickly. So a slap on the wrist for me. So yeah, we've learnt quite a lot. I think tomorrow Gavin will give you a rundown of the plan tomorrow.
So we've got about 600, just over 600 k's in total, about 230 of liaison. There's another couple of hundred of stage, just over about 300 of stage, and then another 100 of liaison at the end. A multitude of tests tomorrow. We have 4 regularity tests, one of which will be probably the longest stage that we've done. That's the stage itself should work out to be about an hour and a half long, so it'll be pretty intense, that. And they've just told us at the briefing that there's a lot of complicated notes at multiple locations. At one point we have to slow as we cross the path of the main rally, and unsurprisingly they take priority over us. So it's going to be an interesting day tomorrow. A wide variety of terrain, soft sand, stony tracks, WRC style tracks, and it should be a real interesting mix of stage for us to do tomorrow. So looking forward to it.
Be like a proper Dakar.